So at OAS we get given the opportunity to work with Jakub and create an award. It's good because we get to work with other teams and compete against them. So whoever creates the best award gets to then go ahead and create the trophies for everyone else.
Most of the stuff I've done has been kind of functional, like my projects at home. I wanted to do this project because it was slightly more artistic and would kind of challenge my skill set slightly.
I entered the competition because I really wanted to have a bit of fun and do something to push myself outside of my general course.
So our design has kind of two parts to it. One, our trophy is going to be a fully functioning radio, and secondly, it's going to be in the shape of a house cast from cement and MDF. Where do all the trades come together? A house.
It was really exciting to be taking part in the Brick Award competition because it's given me a chance to be creative and it's allowed me to just kind of do something not necessarily relevant to my job.
We thought it'd be a good opportunity to get in with different businesses, explore different opportunities and expand our skill set, just kind of see how things go.